Hello, Stallion families. Thank you for taking the time to click on this video to learn more about my biology class. I want to take a moment just to introduce myself. I'm Ms. Stallings. This is my 19th year teaching middle school. This is my 16th year at CSMS, and I absolutely love being a Stallion. I'm really excited to go through and explain my biology class to you and just walk you through what it's going to be like online learning this year. So I'm going to show you this PowerPoint. So the first thing that I'd like you to know is the cornerstone websites that we're going to be using this year. Although we may use a lot of different tech and a lot of different platforms as we are in distance learning, these are the three websites that students will go through each and every day during the school week. So the first thing that students want to do is go into their Clever dashboard. Once they go into the Clever dashboard, from there they will want to launch their Canvas app for my biology class. They will also want to launch the team link that is specifically generated for their class period. You have to sort of think about Canvas and Teams as being my classroom. So when the students launch into the meeting, they're going to be kept in a waiting room, just like when they come to my class, they're kept in the hallway. And then once class starts, I let the students in from the waiting room and we begin class. Canvas is going to be the place where we house all of our instructions. If students are absent, that's where the work will be housed, links for the meetings that students may have missed, and all of the assignments, quizzes, projects, etc. will be on Canvas. So this is what the Canvas homepage looks like. Hopefully you've had a chance to start clicking through and getting a feel and an idea of how it's set up. You'll notice that there are course expectations, Netiquette, which is like our etiquette online that we're really emphasizing with our students this year. And then I'll put additional resources into that third place right here. Right now, the only thing that I believe is in there is going to be the explanation about teams. So you can go on there and get some more information. As I start loading in the assignments, they will be by week. So we have week 1, week 2, all the way through the 9 weeks. When you click on that, you'll get more information about the day-to-day assignments. All the actual assignments and grades that the students will be getting will be coming from modules. Our textbook is HMH Science Dimensions Biology, and students can reach this 2 different ways, and we will practice this. I will practice this on Teams with students, but they can reach it from Clever and they can reach it from Canvas as well. We don't utilize the physical textbook that often, but it is a resource for us, and that's where it is housed. So just to kind of go over some of the things that the students are going to learn this year, our first quarter is 3 main things. We're going to talk about a review of just scientific knowledge, the scientific method, lab expectations, safety, etc. Chemistry of biology, so students will learn about the chemistry that helps make up living things. Then we move into cell structure and function. So overall, the course is built from the micro level, and then we go into the macro because our last topic is going to be ecology. Second quarter is cell division, plants, energy of life, and then types of inheritance. Types of inheritance will sometimes even creep into third quarter. I'm not sure with distance learning how things might get shifted a little bit, but this is generally what is covered during second quarter. During third quarter, we discuss and learn about DNA and genetics, evolution and natural selection, and the origins of life. And in the fourth quarter, we review classification, body systems, and ecology. What you're going to find is this course is very similar to the 7th grade Gears 2. We just get more in depth, and then the ecology concepts will be new to them, as that's not something that's emphasized in Gears 2. My class is weighted into categories. There are 3 categories. Quizzes, tests, and projects are 50% of their grade. Participation in discussions are 25%. Assignments are 25%. And then at the end of the first semester, students will take a midterm. And at the end of the year, in May, they will take an EOC. Just a reminder that students do earn high school credit. It's a high school GPA, and it is an honors high school course. So it is a weighted course as well. I will be sending home a letter that you will need to sign and return, just acknowledging that you understand that this is a high school course, that it is rigorous, and that students will carry that weighted grade with them into high school. So they'll have that GPA already. Communication, it's a little bit different this year. Email is going to be the best form of communication. I'm not going to use Remind because it's just one more communication system. We're just going to stick to either the inbox of Canvas if students want to reach me, or my physical email, billy.dollins@browardschools.com. I am very open to having meetings through Teams. So what you would need to do if you want to speak to me on the phone, or if you want to have a meeting, is you would want to set that up in the front office if you want a parent-teacher conference, or if you just want to call and talk on the phone, just leave me a message and I will get back through Teams, because obviously we're not at school and I don't have a school phone number. I'm super excited. I absolutely love teaching biology. I hope your students have a great year. If there's ever any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me, and let's make it a great year. Bye-bye.